हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ए वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आप लोगों का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे हार्दिक अभिनंदन। मैं डॉक्टर सुबोध कुमार आज आप लोगों के लिए एक नया टॉपिक जस्टिफाई द स्टेटमेंट फैट बर्न इन फ्लेम ऑफ ग्लूकोज एंड इट्स क्लिनिकल अप्रोच लेकर आया हूं। आप इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखें। इट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक, so let's get started. First of all, we know the importance of TCA cycle. TCA cycle is also known as citric acid cycle. The TCA cycle is hub of metabolism with central importance in both energy production and biosynthesis. Pyruvate comes from glycolysis. Glycolysis is the process of breakdown of glucose molecules up to the level of pyruvate. In presence of pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, pyruvate is converted into acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl coenzyme A, it is the first, it introduced TCA cycle. First of all, acetyl coenzyme A condenses with oxaloacetate to form citrate. Citrate to isocitrate, isocitrate to alpha ketoglutarate, alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl coenzyme A to malate, malate to oxaloacetate. These all are intermediate of TCA cycle. Oxaloacetate further combined with another molecule of acetyl coenzyme A to form citrate and the cycle completed. But in absence of glucose, what happened? When glucose level depleted inside cells, we know first line of energy providing substances is carbohydrate glucose. When the glucose is depleted, then stored glucose in the form of glycogen is depleted via process glycogenolysis in liver and muscle to compensate glucose level. After that, gluconeogenesis starts. Gluconeogenesis starts. The site of gluconeogenesis is mainly liver. Up to 90% of glucose is synthesized in liver and up to 10% kidney cortex. Human brain required approx 120 gram glucose per day out of 160 gram needed by the entire body. But in case of depletion of glucose, in such condition, brain is deprived. So, second line of energy providing substance is fat. Fat is metabolized through beta oxidation to produce acetyl coenzyme A. In gluconeogenesis, lactate, pyruvate, glucogenic amino acid, propionate, and glycerol are major precursors for gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis is the process of formation of glucose from non-carbohydrate compound. Since oxaloacetate acts as a catalyst in TCA cycle, Without oxaloacetate, TCA cycle hampered. This is due to, in absence of glucose, oxaloacetate is diverted its path from TCA cycle to gluconeogenesis. It participates in gluconeogenesis process. Hence, TCA cycle hampered here. Hence, fat burned in flame of glucose. More specifically, it could be said that fat burned in an oxaloacetate flame because in absence of glucose, fat is metabolized through beta oxidation to produce acetyl coenzyme A. The main fate of acetyl coenzyme A is it goes to TCA cycle, but in such condition, glucose depletion condition, intermediary product of TCA cycle, which is oxaloacetate, is absent. So, extra production of acetyl coenzyme A produces ketone bodies because it can't combine with oxaloacetate. In such condition, ketone bodies is the source of energy. Its clinical importance is hypoglycemia. In hypoglycemia or brain starvation condition, since brain lacks the biological mechanisms necessary to burn amino acids and fatty acids, so it depends on glucose for the bulk of its energy demand. In case of extreme starvation, the brain will begin to eat itself. So, second line of energy providing substances is fat burned through beta oxidation to produce ketone bodies. Ketones are produced in the liver. Produced ketones are released into the circulation and it is further utilized by muscle, renal cortex and brain. These ketone bodies are source of energy during starvation. During glucose deficiency condition, these ketone bodies cross the blood-brain barrier. Inside the brain, it is converted into acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl coenzyme A further go to TCA cycle and it provides energy to brain. So, we can say that the fat burned in flame of oxaloacetate because oxaloacetate is the main intermediary product of TCA cycle which combined with acetyl coenzyme A, but in deficiency of glucose, oxaloacetate is diverted its path. It participates in gluconeogenesis process. So fat is metabolized through beta oxidation. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.